2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 16,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.